Anthropic just dropped a new blog and it completely changes how we think about building AI agents. If you have ever wondered why agents sometimes feel slow or heavy, this update explains exactly why and how to fix it. So let's first start with the old way. Traditionally, an AI agent relied on large language model that was asked to do something inside the context window. It had to load all the tool definitions upfront, even if it only needed one or two. Then it would make direct tool calls, wait for the output, and pull the entire result back into the context. Every definition, every intermediate response, every chunk of data was pushed through the model over and over. Now imagine the model doing this repeatedly. First, it loads thousands of tool definitions, then it scans them, then it chooses one, then it reads the entire response. Then it repeats the cycle again. It worked, but it was not efficient. And as agents started to connect to more servers, this pattern simply did not scale. Now, here is a new approach Anthropic is introducing. So instead of forcing the model to carry all the information inside its context, the model writes a small block of code. That code runs inside a secure execution environment. The tools are no longer giant definitions. They show up as tiny code APIs inside of virtual file systems. The model only reads what it needs and when it needs it. So the agent logic happens in the code, not in the model's memory. Loops, conditionals, retries, and all the heavy lifting runs inside the sandbox. Intermediate results stay inside the execution environment and only the final filtered results goes back to the model. With this architecture, the difference is huge. You have lower token usage, you have less context bloat, and you have better security, and more importantly, cleaner and more predictable agent behavior. If you want to see how this actually works in practice, the blog has real examples of how the tool maps to code files and how the model navigates them. It is one of the clearest explanations of how MCP and code execution fits together. So definitely go check it out. You can comment AI and I'll send you the link.